Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. I'm really excited to show you this little scrubby that you can make very quickly and easily. It's about 3 inches. It can be used for a lot of different things, so let's get started. I used Yarn Bee Scrubology cotton. Red Heart also has a similar yarn, and an H hook, 5 millimeters. Let's start with a slip knot. Put your hook in there and chain 4. Then join with a slip stitch in the first chain, and that creates a little circle. Chain 3, that counts as the first double crochet. And then finding the circle that you made, let's put 11 more double crochets into that same space. This yarn isn't as easy to work with as regular yarn, as you see. Use really loose stitches, that should help. At the end of this round, we're going to join with a slip stitch into the first chain of the previous round. Then chain 3. That counts as a double crochet. Put another double crochet in the same space, and then moving around, we'll put 2 double crochets into each stitch. Do an invisible join, cut your yarn, pull it out, and then thread the needle with your yarn. Skip the chain and go into the next stitch through both loops, and then pull that a little bit tight and go into the back loop only of the stitch you just completed. Pull it tight, then you can just knot it and weave in the ends, and there we go, a little scrubby. I hope you liked it. I sure do. Thanks for watching.